kia ora mai tātou whānau, ko ngā Patipaiarehe, ngā uru kehu, te Tini a hā, me e ratu ngā ingoa mō tātou tūpuna. I just wanted to just quickly share some kōrero around our Patipaiarehe. Some say uru kehu, some I've heard when ngā whānau, ngā hapu, te Tini a hā, ngā Rangatira o ngā Patipaiarehe. And just to really acknowledge where a lot of our taonga kūrero come from, and probably the majority of them, when we look at our whānau and whanaunga and moana nui a kiwa, a lot of their taonga kūrero are quite different to ours. And so I feel it would be rude almost to not mention and to really share my whakaaro, and not just mine either, but my upbringing, the different kōrero that was surrounded by in the upbringing around our tupuna being part Papatipu, those that grew out of the whenua, and part waka tupuna, and we're a combination of those two. So some of the taonga I know that come from our Patipaiarehe whānau and realms are the Putōrino, aro katauri, and when we look at the Kakau e rua, the double barrel as well, we've got the two different types of Putōrino that really come from the chrysalis or the wharetu maunga of that night moth, rau katauri. So yeah, and the other one that I wanted to talk about was the Pupu, or the ngata kauri, this beautiful ancient snail that lives, and they came up from the moana and came up onto the whenua. So these are some of the ones that I know around that have a connection to our Patipaiarehe whānau. So I'm just going to play those here in this space here. We're in the heart or the beginning of the Ruahine, the pai maunga o Ruahine, and lots of kōrero and lots of matauranga around our Patipaiarehe, uru kehu, te Tini a hā, that's one of our ones from home. So this one's really to acknowledge and to mihi to them here in this beautiful place at the foot of the Ruahine. Mauri aroha ki a tātou, mauri aroha ki ngā Patipaiarehe, uru kehe te Tini a hā. ngā tupua, ngā kaitiaku, e te whenua, e te ngāhere ki te māua.